What is good, ladies and gentlemen? You are here chilling with the real Satoshi Aoki. Happy Saturday from wherever you are watching out there. If you are a bull on CRO, make sure you like this video and sub to the channel for some of the best crypto.com content on YouTube. In today's video, it's just gonna be a short one, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to be accessing the Defi wallet, the crypto.com Defi wallet. We're gonna be checking out my stake, see how that's going, and most importantly, we're gonna be switching validators because I'm actually on a couple of validators. I believe Athena and New Shepherd, which I believe are sort of charging around 10% commission. So, it's been a while since I've initialized that stake, and I'm looking to find a validator that, has 0% commission for the time being. There is a lot of validators, ladies and gentlemen, that you can actually choose from, and I'm not going to be making an in-depth video in today's video about sort of the best ways to precisely choose the very best validator, but we're simply just going to have a bit of a squeeze through and choose one that does have 0% commission and have a bit of a scroll through the list. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's head on over to the app now. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the crypto.com Defi wallet. Now, folks, if you're seeing this video for the first time and you don't have, well, if you've got a lump sum, something maybe $100 plus of CRO sitting around somewhere, not doing a lot on the app or maybe on another exchange or something like that, then you seriously need to get it staking on the Defi wallet, okay? So if you don't know how to do that, I won't be going through that in today's video, but I will leave a playlist up here of where you can check out the most recent videos on the crypto.com playlist of how to get amongst the Defi wallet, okay? So guys, so when I invested, not to be vain or anything like that, but when I invested in crypto.com sort of with the intention of doing this Defi staking, when I heard about the proposed sort of around 20% per annum, I think maybe it was a month or two ago. All right, I invested around 12,500 USD, and already, ladies and gentlemen, with staking, but mainly with the increase in price of CRO, I'm almost at a 20,000 US dollar total CRO, guys. So, I'm doing well. It's almost a 9,000 US dollar profit, guys, in sort of less than 2 months. So I'm really, really stoked about that. I really, really am. So let's go over and scroll over to the earn section now, guys. These videos never financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but CRO, in my opinion, has the strongest fundamentals for sure in the crypto debit card space, and they have the best marketing campaigns as well. Of course, there are negatives with the company, as I do always say, but what company does not have negatives? So guys, let's have a look now and let's check out what's going on with my staked CRO here, okay? So let's go into the earn section. We're gonna go into assets here, and I've got two sort of validators running here. One of them is Athena and one of them is New Shepherd. They're both giving me 15.01% per annum, and they're both charging me, guys, I think about sort of between 10 and 15% commission that they do receive. So that's quite a bit. Also, with the amount of CRO that I do have staked, well, it's quite a bit for me, okay? Not to say that I'm a whale by any means, but for me, that is quite a lot, just average, guys. So we're gonna go over and adjust this now, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm actually gonna press claim rewards first, so you can actually see that process as well. I'm gonna do it just for Athena, okay? Just because there's not a lot of New Shepherd, so I'll probably just leave that. And the great thing about this is that they've included a claim to restake. I know this has been out for like a couple of weeks or something, but that's pretty cool. So you can click that bottom button there, claim to restake, and the network fees, guys. For those that are new, the crypto.org chain, it's awesome. Look at that, 0.0002 CRO just for a simple network fee. That is nothing, guys. Absolute potato chip. So we can confirm claim to restake, do the facial ID, and that usually goes through in less than a minute, guys. So we can X that there. We'll refresh the page there. We'll go back, and actually we'll go back in and let's have a look. Okay, so we'll go back in, and that should just about, hang on, if we go back to the wallet section and we refresh this. Yeah, okay, so I think that has gone through on the crypto.org there. All right, guys, so let's go back into the earn now. We're gonna go back into the actual app itself, and as you can see here, the rewards are now down at 0 for Athena, guys. So see that it was done in like 15 seconds. You just have to refresh the page a few times before you can see it on the interface. And we're gonna click the 3 dots here to the right side of Athena on the screen, and we're gonna go switch validator, okay? So I've had a bit of a look through the list, ladies and gents. So we're gonna go max amount now, okay? So that's 18,867 USD worth of CRO that I've got staked with Athena. We're gonna switch that. Now, I've got a bit of an idea, okay, who I want to use. So as you can see, yeah, so commission down the bottom here, ladies and gents, 15% commission going to Athena. It's quite a bit. Okay, it is quite a bit. and the fee to change again is 0.0002 CRO, which again is nothing, okay, absolute potato chips. And we'll have a look, ladies and gents, so we'll scroll down. So 15% per annum is the current rate, okay. People are staking their CRO, which is, you know, kind of annoying because we're not getting that sort of proposed 20% anymore. But, you know, don't forget about the positives, ladies and gents. Don't forget about the positives, because whilst we're getting less, you know, in the per annum rate, all right, whilst we're getting less, don't be too short-sighted, because that's a sign that people are buying CRO. And what does that mean? More people buying into CRO, more people buying into the company, which means, you know, more consistent and, you know, quicker price appreciation, I suppose, of the actual CRO token. So whilst we may be losing some per annum rates in the actual you know, interest itself, our CRO token is going to be increasing in value, okay? So you got to think of those 2 points there, okay? Don't just think to yourself, oh no, they said 20% and now I'm getting 15 and I'm really peed off and everything like that. It's still far better than the actual app itself, and, you know, it may also continue fluctuating, but we'll, you know, keep you posted on how this goes. So I'm looking for a 17.66%, ladies and gents. So there were a couple that I sort of looked at. I looked at maybe the moon with self-delegation. Now, again, we're going to make a video sort of going through how to actually, you know, really choose the best node. But the one that I was going to go for today was going to be the 17.66% per annum moon node with zero commission. Now, they do say at the top here to choose one that has under 15% voting power. And as you can see, a lot of these ones are starting, the voting power is starting to go up. So as you can see, New Shepherd has 9.47, Falcon Heavy has 9.51 voting power. But we are going to go with the moon node today, ladies and gents. So confirm validator on moon node with zero commission zero, as you can see. All right, and you just got to, you know, understand the terms and conditions there from validator. Athena, okay, you got the switching stake amount, the commission's all there, as we know, and we can confirm the switch. That does a face ID. The request is submitted. So I'm going to X that there, and I'm actually going to do the next one now from New Shepherd, okay? So New Shepherd, 3 dots, switch validator. I'm going to go the same, max amount, switch validator again, change it from Falcon 9. Let's scroll down. Let's keep scrolling down. Where is the moon node? There it is, 17.66. Confirm validator again. Confirm the switch. Yes, we know all this information already. Fantastic, that's been confirmed. And what we're also going to do, we're going to go earn more, and I think we had some in my actual original amount. So just to show you, right, the third one that I'm going to do is coming from the wallet. So bottom left of screen, I've clicked on the wallet, crypto.org coin, that's in the actual wallet. So that's CRO I don't have staked on the DeFi wallet, $128, okay? So $128 was sort of the last sort of per annum profits that I took over maybe a 2-week period or so, give or take, from the actual CRO I did have staking, okay? And as you can see there, I've got pending up the top, switching validators there. And so what we'll do, we'll go back to the earn section, press earn more. I appreciate I'm going through this quite fast because I, you know, did kind of want to make this just a short video today, because I do appreciate your time. And okay, so we're going to go, yep, CRO, we're going to click on that one there. Ooh, had an order update there, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so let's go max amount, but how am I going to choose a validator on this? Okay, let's go state. Okay, yeah, so insufficient network fee. Oh, it's good. Oh, yes. So just remember, ladies and gents, that's actually one I just forgot. Just remember, so always leave maybe at least 1 CRO just in there. So instead of doing like 5.15, I'll just do like 5.14, okay? Which is even more, even 1 CRO is more than enough to have for sort of gas fees on the crypto.org chain, okay? I love it, the fees are so cheap, you know. I do a lot of yield farming on Uniswap, you know, and you know, when you do a switch on Uniswap, or a swap, I should say, sorry, and then you do like a yield farm stake, you can be spending upwards of $100 just straight up. So it just doesn't make it worth it if you're doing small amounts, you know. I have to do several thousands at least, otherwise it's just not really worth it. It really just isn't. Okay, so let's have a look, ladies and gents. So we have staked that there. Let's go back to the earn section now and have a look. Okay, all right, so as you can see, okay, so I've accidentally set this small amount of CRO 442 up with Apollo, and I actually want to change that validator. So I'll quickly do that now. But as you can see, the moon node 0% commission is staked at 17.66, and it's a 76571.49 CRO stake on there. And I'm going to change Apollo to the same thing. Okay, so I'll click the 3 dots, with Apollo, switch validator again, and we're gonna go through the moon node max amount. And this is great, guys, because if you make a little mistake on here, because we're on crypto.org chain, I know I keep saying it, but it's so cheap. It's so cheap, and just, you know, it doesn't matter. It's less than a cent. It's literally less than a cent, okay? Your request to switch 442 CRO stake to another validator is pending. Okay. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so that is gonna be all for today's video. Again, if you like CRO, then like the video, subscribe to the channel as well, and turn the notification bells on so you know when new videos about crypto.com do come out. And let me know, what's your experience been like so far with the DeFi wallet? How do you feel about the current per annum reward rate? And what do you think it's gonna do for the price of CRO? I am super bullish on CRO. We'll be making some more videos on crypto.com in sort of the coming weeks to keep you updated with some things around the NFT space and some other things alike, positives and negatives. So from wherever you are watching from in the world, I hope you have a blessed day and a profitable one in the crypto space, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.